Hello guys, as we all know, the pupil distance is one of the most important parameters for a low-power variable optics refscope, which directly relates to your comfort and aiming speed during the aiming process. Therefore, if you are looking for a low-power variable optics refscope that's comfortable to the ears, you should not miss this one TEGO AR1-6X low-power variable optics refscope. It has a maximum pupil distance of 30 cm that can give you a great experience when you are aiming. It allows you to focus your sights on the reticle of the scope extremely quickly. At the same time, it also has the advantage of one ultra-thin film. It also has adjustable red and green lights, which will have its user experience even better. After that, the 0.2 mil click value also provides very precise aiming accuracy, and excellent shockproof allows you to use an airsoft gun and firearm for precise shooting. What do you think of this refscope? Would be your choice? Let us know if you have any question. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.